The Whoop's AI is so powerful, but it's passive. It's still designed as a tool for analysts, not a coach for athletes.
Like and subscribe.
I stopped wearing the Oura Ring, but there's one feature I still miss every single day. One feature, if Whoop adds it in 2026, it will destroy every other competitor. No kidding. Let's hop into it. Let me say something that will annoy most tech YouTubers. Fitness wearables are not the same like tech products. They are decision tools. And the reason most people are confused, overwhelmed, or not improving enough is because the people reviewing these wearables are not living in a stressed, well-trained body. Most tech YouTubers sit at a desk, they look at dashboards and specifications on a screen, and they give you what they are told to give you. But when you actually train hard, you don't have time to ask questions. You don't have time to sugarcoat stuff. And that's why there's one Oura Ring feature I still miss every single day. The only feature the Whoop is missing in 2026 to destroy all competitors. If you train and care about recovery, and you don't want to be babysitting an app all day, you want to know the best wearables to get the job done, like this video and subscribe. Most of the watch time are coming from people not subscribing. Please subscribe and turn the notification on all, not personalized, to get everything we drop each week. Okay, point number one. Asking AI is not the same or useful as having AI in the background. Yeah, the Whoop has AI built in. As you can see, if you open anything on anything, you would see the weekly insights about it. You have to ask it though. It's powerful, it's deep, but it's passive. It only reacts. You have to open the app, open the exact marker, and ask a question. You have to do everything as you see manually. That sounds great, but in real life, you don't have time every day for that. It looks nice if you spend your day like tech YouTubers reviewing stuff. It can wow you, but if you are a busy professional or an athlete, you don't have time for that. You don't wake up thinking, let me see my stats and ask AI about it. You wake up stiff, your joints are hurting, short on time, and you are already late. You want to get shit done. Here's the brutal truth. If AI waits for you to ask, it's not intelligence. It's a search bar. It's a Google in the background. Yeah, it's nice, but Oura Ring does it a lot better. In the Oura Ring app, you have the advisor. The advisor does everything the Whoop has, but it sends you the recommendation and the trends and the summary as a notification every day. You actually get where your trends are going without asking. If you're doing a good job, you continue. If you're doing a bad job, you study and you offset and you improvise without asking. The app is doing all the stuff in the background for you. This is actually where Oura Ring does embarrass every other competitor. Why I actually miss wearing it. It's been 3 months now. You know my issue with it, the durability, as you can see, it scratches like hell, and the battery life unusable after 1 year. If you're still watching, this is where the reframing hits. Oura's AI doesn't wait for you to ask it. It thinks in the background and gives you the notifications and summary and trends. It watches if your HRV is slipping, your RHR is creeping up, your VO2 Max is going down or up, your steps, your sleep data, your everything, and it sends you notifications during the day. I really miss that. The Whoop is silent. It only sends you stuff about the workouts you just did. It tells you it's processed. You have to open the app and see. The Oura just says something is trending up, something is trending down, pay attention or keep going. I love that. This is the part most tech YouTubers miss. Athletes don't need more discipline. Athletes don't need more dashboards to open. They need timely interruptions. I have you in the background to tell me stuff. I don't have to interrupt what I'm doing to open you and see. On to chapter 3. Why this matters if you actually are training hard. When you train seriously, the danger is not missing data. The danger is in missing the patterns. And patterns don't announce themselves politely. They show up as a one bad night, then another, then a flat session, then an injury. By the time you ask the AI what's happening, you find yourself injured. You are already late. Oura understands this. Whoop, ironically, which is made for the athletes, does not yet. If you're still watching, this is where it gets uncomfortable on purpose. On to the next chapter. Why I think this is happening. The real reason why Whoop hasn't implemented this yet. Even though the Whoop was one of the first to implement AI in its software, but here is my theory. If Whoop starts to send you notification proactively, AI-based, interrupting you with trend patterns, acting like a real coach, then all of a sudden you will need to open the app less. You will scroll inside the app less. You explore your data less. And what do tech companies love? For you to open the app every day and all day to sell you stuff. In the Whoop case, they want to sell you Whoop accessories and Whoop clothes. But I don't think athletes do have time for that. So yes, the Whoop's AI is so powerful, but it's passive. It's still designed as a tool for analysts, not a coach for athletes. Whoop, if you are watching this, please add this in 2026. You already have the background AI monitoring. You just have to be proactive about it. Let it send us stuff as a notifications. When it notices something in the background, let it send us to us. I don't have to open my app to see that every day and multiple times a day. Please like and comment and tell me what you think about this matter, and go watch this video. You will understand better what I mean by the AI being proactive when you watch this, as I'm reviewing the Whoop Labs feature. Go watch it. You will understand why.
And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cartier's, and the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service.